came in from an intense workout. It was good, and now it's time to feed these muscles. You know, you gotta feed these muscles. They're crying out for some food after such a good workout, right? Hello everyone. My name is Gwen, and welcome to Eating Thin with Gwen, where I'm all about healthy eating and living a good, healthy lifestyle. So as I said, I just came in from a good, intense workout, and now it's time to get some protein, because after a good workout, especially strength training, you want to feed your muscles some protein. And so today I'm just going to make this protein shake. This is my favorite protein powder. It's called Amazing Grass, but I'm all out. And the closest place that sells it, I think, is Whole Foods, and they're like 27 miles away. Ugh. I just moved from Illinois to Georgia. Now I'm trying to find places that's close by. And Whole Foods was one of my favorite stores in Chicago, but now they're not so close. But I signed up for Consumer Labs, and I did a search on Consumer Labs regarding protein powders, and this was one of theirs. It's one of the ones that they like. It's called Plant Fusion Complete Protein. So this will be my first time using it because, like I said, I ran out, and my local store did have these. They have this. So I'm going to try it. And also with my protein shake, I'm going to add some organic strawberries. I have some wild blueberries. Wild blueberries have twice the antioxidants in it than the regular blueberries, so I would suggest getting these if you can. I'm adding some bananas, frozen bananas. I cut up an apple, and I'm also going to add some arugula. I'm adding a handful of spinach. Now the packages on the arugula and the spinach says it's been washed 3 times and ready to go, but mine has now been washed 4 times because I like to wash it again just to be sure. And I'm adding some coconut milk. I usually add almond milk, but you can add whatever milk you want, coconut, soy, almond. And I'm just going to add these together and blend them up, and I will have my protein smoothie, all right? Because it's important that we get that protein in after our workout, all right? Let me put these in the blender here. All my ingredients in. I'm just going to blend these up, and then after I blend them up, then I will add the protein powder in. I love my Vitamix. This is very good blender. I've had this one for 10 years and it's still hanging in there. Scoop of protein powder. Consumer Labs recommended this because Consumer Labs does tests on products to make sure that what the company says is in it is really in it. And this was one of their best choices because it doesn't have the heavy metals in it. Believe it or not, a lot of the protein powders have metal in them, heavy metals in them, which can come from the soil, the environment, the water. And they tested a lot of the protein powders for heavy metals, and this one did not have any, so that's why I decided to go ahead and get that. The only issue with this is that it does have natural flavors, and I'll have to do another video on that because natural flavors are not always good. And we're done. Nice, smooth, just what we need after a good workout. Protein. Okay, let's try it. Very good, very good. When you're making your protein smoothie, of course you put whatever fruit in it, vegetables. You could add along with the spinach if you want to make it green, avocado into your smoothies, whatever you want to put in it, any kind of fruit that you want in it, make it your own, but make it healthy. All right, so here's to your health. 3 John 1 and 2. Beloved, I wish above all things thou shalt prosper and be in health, even as your soul prospers. So let's make it healthy. All right, here's to your health.